Hello, greetings and salutations. Sarah Jane Cruickshank here, and I just wanted to make a very quick video just to say a massive thank you to anybody that has subscribed to me on my YouTube channel. I just flipped over to the 4K mark, which was a goal for me. My next goal is 5K, and then we just keep building from there. So I just want to say thank you so much to anybody that has pressed that subscribe button. If you haven't pressed that subscribe button, can't even say it, please do. Please subscribe, because my main focus for the rest of this year is going to be YouTube content, bringing you incredible Forex training and also marketing training and some fun stuff as well. So if you want to be notified about all the upcoming stuff, please press that subscribe button and press that little notification bell so you'll get a notification when I've got a new video up. That would help me greatly, because I know I've got a lot of views and a lot of followers that nobody's pressed that subscribe. Why not? Look, it's there, it's in the corner. Press the button, please. Thank you. And thank you for your continued support. Tomorrow I'm going to be uploading a brand new YouTube training. It's part 2 of the one that I uploaded last week. So the YouTube training is going to be up there. And then also, if you want to carry on with your YouTube training, we do have a free open Facebook group called the Reoccurring Income Ninjas, where I'm going to be doing it live. I'm going to be uploading videos, how to add keywords, how to put your end screens on, all that. I'm going to sit there and do live with you in that Facebook group. So comment below if you'd like a link to that group. There should be a link below this video anyway towards that group. So I look forward to seeing you in that group. And don't forget, if you haven't already, press subscribe. It'll be down one of these corners around here. Thank you so much. And mwah, thank you for your support. Love you all. And thank you for the lovely comments that I get as well.